1.2D homework, identifying and simplifying algebraic expressions.
Number 1, how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 terms. Question B, what is the 4th term? 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4th term is negative 9p cubed, negative 9p to the 3rd. Always keep your signs with the term. What is the coefficient of the first term? The coefficient of the first term, here's the first term. The coefficient is the number in front of the variable. The coefficient would be 2. What is the constant term? A constant term does not have a variable. Negative 7 is the constant term. What is the exponent of the 3rd term? 1, 2, 3. I have 1, 7. Negative 7 to the 1 power. The exponent is 1. What are the like terms? Do we have any like terms? Here's p to the 1. Do I have any other p to the 1s? No. Here is p to the 3rd power. Do I have any other p to the 3rd power? Yes. 5p to the 3rd power, comma, negative 9p to the 3rd. Do I have any other like terms? I have a constant. Are there any other constants? No. I have p to the 2nd power, p squared. There are no other p squareds. That is it for like terms. All right, let's look at problem 4. Problem 4, we need to combine like terms. We need to use the distributive property to get rid of parentheses and then see if there's any like terms. I'm going to bring down the negative 6h that I'm not using yet, the negative 5, and I'm going to start with 2/3 times 24. 2/3 times 24h. Just going to go off to the side and do 2/3 times 24h. I make 24 a fraction because I'm multiplying. I'm looking for any cross canceling. 2 and 1 have nothing in common, but I see 3 and 24 have a common factor. They have a common factor of 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 24h divided by 3 is 8h. Now I'm just going to multiply straight across. 2 times 8h is 16h, and then 1 times 1 is 1, and I don't need to put dividing by 1, so we just get 16h. So that's a positive 16h. And now I need to do 2/3 times negative 12. 2/3 times negative 12. I'm going to put the negative with the 12, make the 12 a fraction. And again, I'm looking for any cross canceling. 2 and 1 have nothing in common. 3 and negative 12, they have a 3 in common. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Negative 12 divided by 3 is negative 4. And now I just multiply straight across. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. 1 times 1 is 1. And so our final answer is just negative 8. All right. I've used the distributive property to get rid of parentheses. And now I need to see if I have any like terms. I have negative 6h, positive 16h. I'm going to put those next to each other. I have negative 5 and negative 8. I'm going to put those next to each other. All right. Negative 6h and positive 16h. Those are different signs. When it's different signs, we subtract. 16 minus 6 is going to be 10h. Now I'd like to combine my constants. Negative 5 and negative 8, those are the same sign. When it's the same sign, we add them up and keep the same sign. We add them up and keep the same sign. Okay, you have 3 problems to complete, problems 2, 3, and 5.
When you pass in your homework, make sure you have all your answers written down as well as the work that you showed to get your answers.